Gurudev told, without Gurudev's permission, no one can become a guru. In this age of Kali, there are so many guru, but this business is very nice. Guru business, Gurudev told many times, guru business is very good business. Because easily can seek to foolish man. For that, in this age of Kali, so many gurus are here, there, everywhere. But Gurudev told many times that without permission from his guru, never cannot be initiated to the devotees, to the people. You have to understand that. That is the main thing. Siddhartha Goswami Maharaj had so many qualified, so many scholars, so many Pandit have disciples. They thinking, but Gurudev, Srila Guru Maharaj, Sujan to Gurudev. For that, many times, many scriptures, many things have in this way. Guru understand who can follow his line, who can follow his conception, who has chastity for his guru. That is main things. Now I want to tell about chastity. Gurudev always meaning that the Guru told today sun will rise in the west side, you have to believe it. You are walking with Gurudev and you saw a snake. Gurudev, oh, a snake, be careful please. Gurudev told, this is not a snake, this is on piece of rope. You have to believe that. This is called chastity. And Gurudev, on time, he was in Navadvip, I was in Centenary building, downstairs on the office. And Gurudev, suddenly, his car is coming and I got the sound, his car is coming. And immediately, I came from my office out and paying Dhanavad, and Gurudev stopped his car in front of me. And Gurudev told me, even my office is not close. Gurudev told me, will you go with me? I was foolish and I asked him, where? And Gurudev became some strange mood, little anger mood. And I immediately close the office and go with him. Some that is this 2005 or 4, cannot remember properly. He went to the that he is making that place and some other place. And in the car he is telling me, you are very foolish boy. If Guru asking, will you go with me? You asking question where? If Guru will go to the hell, you will go with him. What is the problem? Not necessarily ask question, it is not 100% chastity. Then I understood what is the chastity. This way he is telling. And he is give honor to others, he also telling. One time I was Brahmachari time and I am giving class in Chaitanya Charitamrita. After Chaitanya Charitamrita reading, then I came to serve Prasadam. That time Prasadam hall not. New Prasadam hall Navadvip not. Even not started. Then that is in the under the kitchen and in the front of the temple. There is place there everybody taking prasadam all here. I am serving. One of the brahmachari, I serving everybody and I gave little more sabji to him. And he is very angry and he has taken the spoon from me and he beat me in the finger. The finger is broken. I did not tell anything. I on bandage with the clothes, bleeding down. And again I stepped. And Gurudev heard that. Gurudev was not there, but after few days he came to Navadvip. And then he asked him, he beat you, why you did not beat him? And I am telling, do not know so much scripture. I told, if on word is Bengali version, that is the meaning I am telling, that if the dog will bite me, man will not bite the dog, human will not bite the dog. And Gurudev is very little bit gambhir. Gurudev told you did not tell correct. It is wrong mistake, because you are giving disrespect to the Vaishnava. You are telling to him dog, that is also Vaishnava. That is Gurudev told me. But without Gurudev's order, Gurudev's mercy, cannot be possible to be a Guru.